Hello everyone, good day. In this video, I'm showing you the process of making paneer at home. It is very simple way. First, pour 1 liter full cream milk in a pan and boil it for 10 minutes in a medium flame. Keep stirring it in the middle and don't let it stick its cream into the pan. Now take 2 small sizes of lemon and squeeze the juice in a bowl and add some water. Now add 1 teaspoon salt and mix it well. Slowly pour lemon juice and stir until milk split. Wow, it is split now. Cook it for a few minutes and turn off the gas flame. Now take a clean pot and 1 small white cloth to separate the water and paneer. Now squeeze it and take all the water out. Now take clean water and dip on it properly and take the water out. Like it's a cleaning. Now press it with a heavy thing from the top and leave it for 15 minutes to give a nice shape. After 15 minutes, take it out and keep it in the fridge for 12 hours. Now you can cook it as you wish. Enjoy! Please do like, share it with others, and consider subscribing to my channel for more food recipe like this. Thank you for watching.